Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. You know what time it is. Ooh, it's Nadine West time. Let's jump right in. Alrighty y'all, Nadine West, you guys, right? So this is our monthly subscription, and I think I'm on time this time. Look at the Lord. Won't he do it? Won't he do it? Yes, he will. Okay. So the kids and I, it's always the kids and I. When am I ever going to be independent? I'm being independent right now. I decided I am an independent woman. Okay, me and Alana. Okay, we've been doing Nadine West for, gosh, 3 or 4 years now. Nadine West, oh, it might be longer than that. Nadine West came about at a time when I really could not afford to buy clothing for myself. And they were a new upcoming company. And you know what? They stuck with us, which was really good. I've been thankful, right? Let me just say this. For those of you who have joined the journey, y'all know how it has been over here over the years. And God has really blessed us. And I will say this, that even when we were a small channel, Nadine West really stuck with us. They didn't just say, oh, well, your channel's not growing fast enough. We don't want to be partnership with you no more. Goodbye, the end. They've always been so very regular with us. And even to the point where I qualify for the affiliate program, but because I did not have a website, I could not be a part of the affiliate program because you have to have a website, link and all that. And I did not have it. I do have a website now. And so once the summer comes, I'll link all that stuff together. So I don't get any kickbacks. I get no pushbacks. I get no affiliates from them. But what I do get is the satisfaction of having new pieces when I was unable to afford any new pieces. You guys know that I started shopping at Goodwill simply because my kids were growing very fast and I needed to buy them things. And I could get such good deals at my Goodwill that I just was like, hey, I'll get my stuff from here. It won't even matter. I'll buy the kids stuff. Perfect, right? It all worked out. But Nadine West gave me something when I didn't feel like I had anything for me. And so they rocking with us, we rocking with them. Okay, Nadine West, subscription company. It works just like other subscription companies. You go online, there is a link in the description box below. You take a 5-minute style quiz. Once you have answered those questions, it probably doesn't even take 5 minutes. Once you've answered those questions though, they will connect you with a stylist. That stylist will pick and pull pieces for you. They will send it to you in what used to be the pink bowl bag. They now have the pink plastic bag. We'll take the pink bag, period. Okay. So they will send you items. And then in your bag, you're going to get your bundles, what I call my bundles. So in this bag, I have 2 bundles. Oh, and I have something pink, y'all. Tomorrow is pink day. That's the only reason I open this bag, because tomorrow's pink day and I don't have nothing pink. Okay. 2 bundles is what I have. Now, normally they will give you a jewelry piece. We used to get earrings and a necklace or a bracelet. Now they just give you one of the options. You never know what's coming in your bag, but there are a couple of things that are very important. The first thing, this is your list of everything that's going to be in your bag. So I have 2 tops, 2 bottoms, a dress, and a pair of earrings that are in gold. Very good. And then it gives you a return label. If there's something in your bag that you do not love, you do not have to keep those pieces. However, you do have a set time that you need to return things by. And they will say to you, please return by XYZ date. When you do go on and you sign up for the service, they will take your credit card information. So it works just like all those other subscriptions. If you forget to send your items back, or you decide, hey, you know, I really don't like this, and get it back to them, they won't charge your card for those items. But if you forget, I'm just saying, you know, so try to meet your deadlines. Okay, 2 bundles. I see 2 tops. Maybe this is a top. That could be a dress. That's a dress. Okay, first off, I'm just going to say there are very few pieces that I don't like about Nadine West. This is one of them, right? I don't like washed out or faded looking items. I like very crisp, clear colors. I like vibrant. I am not muted at all. There's no mute, right? See, that doesn't even look right on my skin. However, I've tried on things before and I'm like, oh, okay, I see where they was going with this. But I am not a muted person. And this is a dress. It is very, very tiny. So to save all of us, because I am losing weight, however, to save all of us from looking at the muffin stuff, and I'm not trying this piece on. This piece, really, Barbara? Oh, really, Barbara? Rude. I'm going to take this to church and see if one of the little girls wants it. And I say little girls, they're about 13, 14, somewhere in there. Maybe something that they think they can work with. I'm going to let it go to that. And then it's like that thermal wear material. Not my material, right? I'm 47. I don't wear thermals at all. Okay, that's one. So, you know, sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. Here's a shirt. I'm for sure that this is a top. It is two-toned, white at the bottom, and then this rust color at the top, but it's short sleeve with the V-neck, which I do tend to like. Barbara! She never plays with that toy. Now today she want to play with the toy. Okay, Barbara. Okay. And then it has this cheetah print on the pocket. You know, I have a pair of shoes that are this color. And I also have a pair of cheetah print shoes that are this color that I really like. Now, it is spring, but sometimes our nights or evenings are cooler. So if for some reason I happen to go out on a date, you hear me, Lord? Okay. I could wear this out, right? I could wear just a small little shawl on top with a pair of blue jeans, black jeans, and cheetah boots, and it would be all cute. Okay, moving forward. Here's my other bundle. Now, they got some, okay, let me, okay, these are like some camo pants. These are workout pants, right? So I'm here for workout breeches. It's perfect. We'll wear your workout pants. These do have pockets, which I do like. And I've been in the gym. The kids and I have been in the gym. We actually went to the gym today. And so the pockets actually let me keep my cell phone while I'm working out. I don't have to put it on the floor, and I don't have to wear my fanny pack. So I like workout pants, and Alana had given me some workout pants, but they were a size small. I'm not a size small yet. They did not fit, so they did go in the Goodwill bag. These are a size large, and I am shrinking by the day, so I'll take these and work out in those. Okay, what else? Let me see what I had on my bag. I had 2 tops, 2 bottoms, and a dress. Okay, very good. This was not a stellar bag, I will say that. I've gotten different things that I thought were stellar for my age, right? Okay. Another pair of workout pants. They have that little zigzag pattern on the side. Perfect, perfect. These are just workout pants. And of course, I am not going to do workout pants. I'm not trying those on because I already know they're going to fit. And then again, they have the pockets. For me, I like the pockets because I'm able to put my cell phone in my pocket and work out. And then they have a pink top, which tomorrow is pink day. So let's see what this looks like. Oh, okay. This is a short sleeve, which is not bad. And I do like that bottom, right? So it's pink and black. I do have a pair of black pants that I can wear with this. It is a short sleeve, kind of like a mid ruffle, which is perfect. It does have the keyhole in the back. I will wear a cami underneath just so you're not seeing all the things. But I think that out of all of the things in this bag, this, of course, will be the one piece that I picked to wear out in public outside of the gym pieces and the top, the other top. So these other 2 pairs of gym pants, I'll wear to the gym, or sister will wear to the gym because Alana and I interchange clothing because she goes to the gym as well. So there that is. Let me see what the last piece was. It was some earrings. And I do like accessory pieces. All of Nadine West's accessory pieces I have worn. These are just like some links and a chain. So chain link earrings. I don't have a lot of gold, so these will come in handy. I tend to be more of a silver person, but I do wear gold at times. So there it is, you guys. That was a quick, simple bag. And I only had one this time because I'm on time. I am on time in Jesus' name. So anywho, you guys, there it is. I'm not trying those things on because they're workout pants, and I'm not going to show that on camera. Y'all have seen quite enough in Jesus' name. But I do work out. Jackson and I went to the gym. Alana went out with a friend. So Jack and I were like, hey, let's go to the gym. We stopped by my sister. She was not able to go with us today, but we got a 45-minute workout in, and we worked out hard. I did all weights today. Jackson did full body. I did legs. I did core. What else did I do? Legs and core, back. Legs, core, back. I did legs, core, and back. And so that's just where I was at today. I did more of a pull day than a push day. I did calf raises, all the things, right? So I'm in the gym. And I was telling my sister, I said, I'm looking in the mirror in the gym, and I do appear to be like, you know, slimming out, coming back to where I was before the perimenopause started. And so here I am. It's been exactly a year ago that I actually looked at nope, it was in August would be a year that I looked at myself and I was like, oh my word, what happened to me? But it was a year ago now that I started doing the 75 hard. I think I was on like 75 hard day 4 or 5 around this time. And I wouldn't mind doing it again, but I don't want to push my body into even further of a bad state. And so until I figure out my nutrition all the way, I can't afford to do another hard. But I can tell that I've slimmed out some in my face. That's where I see it, is in my face. And I also see it in my back, right? Because I do have like back fat. And so I measure my weight by back fat. I mean, that's just how it is, or how I do it. So I'm just keeping after it, right? So thank you, Nadine West, for sending me those pieces because I've been in the gym. Yeah, I have. And it's good. We like the gym. I am enjoying the gym experience now, again, because I can take both my kids. And we go in, and the little guy that's sitting at the desk, I think Jackson and I were the only two in there this afternoon. And another lady came in, and we were just about ready to leave by then. But most gym people are in there first thing in the morning. And, you know, let all of them go in and do their best and live their best life. We tend to go in there when it's not very, very full. Because we're not like, you know, on the Schwarzenegger. We're working our journey. So it's worked out for us to be able to go in and, do all the things. So I like it though, because I don't have to leave one of my kids at home. Jackson has enjoyed going to the gym. And y'all, when I say that little gym membership has not cost, I mean, I haven't missed the money. I'm saving more on not paying Taekwondo than paying for the gym. So I'm almost saving $120, and I'm paying for a gym membership for Jackson. It's a little bit more than what I pay for myself and what sister pays, but I'm still recouping about a little over $1,600 for the year not paying Taekwondo. I'll take it, right? I'll take it. I'll eat it, and it'll be perfect. But what I do need to start doing though in June is saving for the membership re-up, because I'm almost positive that we'll keep going to the gym. Jackson enjoys it. I actually think that it would be something good for him to learn, like all of the exercise physiology, and potentially do something on the side, like a side hustle, being a personal trainer, because he's very good. He helps us out quite a lot. I spot him on some of his heavier weights because I've been working out in the gym for quite a long time. But Jackson knows exactly what is a push day and a pull day and a rest day and a recovery day, and he knows all the things. And his nutrition is very good, but I am afraid to eat carbs. I am afraid to eat a lot of carbs. I'm just afraid because I've been keto for so long. But I did weights today so I can have carbs. But again, it's just a mental thing. I'm very afraid to eat them because I like them and they like me. But I think it works out well if I'm doing, if I'm working out with the weights, because I can feel. And I did some heavier weights today. So yeah, I'm gonna probably have a potato. Do we have potatoes left, Bubba? I'll have a potato. It'll work out fine. It'll be perfect. And they're small. So I don't tend to have as many issues when they're small instead of being huge, because I just can't wrap my brain around it. Now, I do have cravings. I was craving a pecan pie today. And I was craving something yesterday, but I did not give in. I did not relent. I did not have a pecan pie. I just had what I was supposed to have and lived my best life, right? So even when you're in the gym, it doesn't mean that you're not going to have cravings. I'm actually drinking some water right now, just trying to tamper down the hunger until I go in the kitchen and make something. I don't mind drinking water. I like it just fine. Actually have not been drinking as much coffee. I think I might have had a half a cup today. And I am a coffee drinker. I drink a pot a day, plus a few cups. Shh, mind your business. Mind your business. But I didn't have coffee. I haven't had coffee for a couple of days like I would normally, which is good. Just something we're trying to see, you know. We're going to see how things go with it. But anywho, there it is. I've chatted a little, shown you some stuff, done all the things. If you're interested in Nadine West, remember there is a link in the description box below. Just go do like this. Click, 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 and go over and do all the things. Tell them Shakema sent you. All the things. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that little bell. That way you never miss an upload from us. We love you, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.